Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is 4th of July and right now the time is 1:30 and right now we are at Bay 15 and today is the last day in Goa and we are heading towards South Goa to visit Palolem Beach and Uthoda Beach and you won't believe me, we came back to the room in the early morning from casino at 8 o'clock and it was a wonderful experience I say, but I was dead tired and my voice is also completely dead as you can listen to me and this is the perfect view, like these are the cottages by the sea and that's the dining area. So we did not have breakfast, we are going to have brunch directly and then it's showing us approx 75 kilometers to South Goa, which is 1 hour 40 minutes of drive and I'm going to sleep for 1 hour 40 minutes. 8 o'clock when 8 o'clock waiting कर दिया, 2 o'clock schedule कर दिया. I need to create a thumbnail and then a title, then I'll be good to go. I'll do it in the meanwhile, okay? We'll keep you guys updated. So just done with lunch and right now the time is 3 o'clock and I would literally suggest you not to visit this place because the food was absolutely so bad. Bakwas tha pura. And right now we are heading towards South Goa, which is 75 kilometers from here and it's showing approx 1.5 hours. So abhi I'll take a nice nap because bahut thak gaye but abhi to pura sabka energy उठ के आया, जान में जान आया है. Everyone is so energetic. It was a pleasant lunch, okay, but vibe अच्छा था. Food बेकार था, but vibe अच्छा था. आना जितना महंगा ना. खातल बेच. So right now the time is 4:30 and we just reached Palolem Beach and it's raining heavily. So I'm going to place away my camera in the car and I'm going at the beach. If there is no rain, we are going to do river rafting and kayaking. There is a guy waiting there. पता है मुझे वो बंदा, तो उसमें कॉल पे ऊपर कॉल कर रहा है. So right now the time is 7:17 and we reached here around 4:30 and it started to rain since we got here. Our plan was to go for kayaking and a boat ride but pura flop ho gaya and our flight has been rescheduled to 12 o'clock which was at 11:05. So 1 hour time pass karna airport mein, but we are starting to the airport right now because it's showing 2 hours of drive, might get 3 hours also because of the rain. We need to cross the guard section and all. अभी इधर से 500 meters भाग के जाना है. ये हालत पूरा पोपट हो गया. So see you guys in the car. माने दुन्नु का अन्ना officially it's your time to दुरुडू. ఏంది అవి చూపిస్తా. ఉన్నానే లేకపోతే వంద పెట్టాలి. ముందు లేదు So just reached airport and right now the time is 9:30 and well, we were starting from the restaurant. I was walking through a shop to buy some fancy items, but then kinda vadda, debba takinది. Like I fell down in an ocean drainage. Because the water level came till my thighs and I was completely wet. My watch became wet, my phone became wet, and my wallet also. I thought I was gone. Luckily, there was no camera in my hand because I was vlogging through my phone. But when I fell down, I was not vlogging. I was just walking casually. Luckily, camera was not in my hand. Like both a biscuit, I was hurt. Like this has swollen and this is paining, but whatever happens in Goa does not stay in Goa. We'll follow back to your hometown also. So right now the time is scheduled at 12 o'clock and it should not get delayed once again because I'm so dead tired. We'll keep you guys updated after boarding and check-in also. Airport la pillila. Junior Secunderabad railway station. So right now the time is 11:15 and just done having dinner at KFC and the boarding starts at the boarding starts at 11:15. Mine is Pune. So right now the time is 12 o'clock and we are in a flight. So hey guys, flight camo, window seat, mabbu undi mottam ela anna.
सर्विस बोलाऊं
మొత్తం ఊరమా అన్న ఫ్లైట్ మొత్తం ఊరమా సర్వీస్ నిలుజమా ఏంది ఫస్ట్ 9 రోజు చూసిండు మొత్తం మన బ్యాచ్ స్క్రాప్ అంతా ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు అనుకుంటుండే So finally touched on Hyderabad and right now the time is 1:31 and it's raining in Hyderabad also and it was a smooth flight but there's so much of turbulence. మంచిగా పడుకున్నాం మాట్లాడను నువ్వు మాట్లాడితే చాలా బాగుంటావు అన్న బర్త్డే వస్తుంది ఇచ్చేసాం ఖాళీ ఏమంటావు అన్న చెప్పన్నా. So got back home and right now the time is 4:30 and landed around 1:30 in the airport but it took us 1 hour for our luggage to arrive and 1 hour for the cab and right now I'm going to edit the vlog and then upload my data to the drive because it's going to be chaos from tomorrow maintaining the data. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys liked it for whatever reason. Please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching the Goa vlogs. Got some good response and I need to make reels as well. Follow me on Instagram TANISHQ_. Thank you so much.